Hey there, this is Bill Schulteis. I'm the creator of the Coffeehouse Investor, and together we're helping each other build wealth, ignore Wall Street, and get on with our lives. Today I want to talk to you about a topic that's unfolding across the investing landscape. There seems to be a proliferation, boy that's a big word, of traders who are taking their time and their money and trying to make a quick buck through the stock market. And this is unfolding, I think, primarily because of three reasons. The first reason is that there's a lot of people staying at home because of the coronavirus. The second reason is that over the last couple of years, financial institutions that facilitate trading, like a Schwab or a Vanguard or a Robinhood, have allowed investors to now trade for free. And the third thing that is encouraging people to trade their accounts is the fact that the markets have been extremely volatile over the last couple of months. Not only the stock market, but energy futures and other commodity futures. And so it's easy to make and lose a quick buck in today's climate. Now, it got me to thinking, if somebody is really wanting to build wealth, what's the best way to build wealth? You know, if somebody wants to gamble on the stock market, it doesn't matter to me. I mean, I love to gamble with the best of them. If you're going to play a golf game with me, you can better believe that we're going to have at least a $2 Nassau on the game. But if somebody's wanting to build long-term wealth, how do they go about doing that? Especially if you're a 20 or 25-year-old and you're staying at home and you're thinking, geez, I need to make some money. Well, if I were to tell myself what are the best ways to make money as a 20 or 25-year-old, I would say that I would want to focus on three things. And the first thing that I'd want to focus on is socking away 10, 15, maybe 20% of my salary. Now, that's not going to make you rich next week, but over a lifetime of doing that, it's going to have a profoundly positive impact on your ability to build lasting wealth to see you through your retirement years. The second suggestion that I would give myself is up my career. I mean, if I'm making $15 or $20 an hour, I would say, hey, I'm going to do something with my life, so I'm making $20 or $30 an hour. And if I'm not happy with $20 or $30 an hour, I'm going to go back to school. So I'm continuing to up my career and upgrade my pay scale, and hopefully I'm able to sock away some more money into my workplace retirement plan. But the third thing that I want you to focus on, if you're a 20 or 25 or even a 30-year-old and you're wanting to build lasting wealth and you're not happy with where you're at, is I want you to consider starting a business. I'm calling it, it's all about the hustle. It's all about looking at opportunities in the world today to provide value and starting a business. Now that may seem overwhelming, but the simple steps that you take to begin starting a business can have a meaningful impact on your life. A friend of mine told me the other day that her high school son went out and found used weightlifting equipment that people were wanting to give away. And he cleaned it up, he shined it up, and he sold it for 40 or 50 bucks. And then after an afternoon of doing this, he had made $200, which I think is pretty neat. But maybe you're thinking, well, you know, I want to do something more than just sell weights. I've got another friend who 10, 15 years ago said, hey, I'm going to go out and buy a used car on eBay. And he did. And he cleaned it up, he shined it up, and he sold it for a $2,000 profit. But he didn't stop there. He did it again and again and again. And now he's got one of the largest used car lots on the east side. He's selling between 40 and 60 cars a month and making $2,000 a pop. Now do the math on that. That's using your ingenuity to start a business. You're out there hustling, and I can assure you that it will have a significantly larger impact on your long-term wealth building abilities than going out and trying to day trade commodity futures. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've got more information at coffeehouseinvestor.com. This is Bill Schulteis, the creator of the Coffeehouse Investor. I'll catch you next week.